Hi, this is Cross from my Tutorials TV. I'm gonna show you how to create a perfect logo using PixelLab. The result will look best when your first text contains of 4 letters and second text 3 letters. Click the plus icon and edit your text. For this example, I'm typing Born Hub. Adjust the size to 230. Change its font to ArialBold. Click color icon, then change the color. The first part of your text must be white, and the next part black. Duplicate your text by clicking copy. Tap the bottom text to activate it, then add a background to it. Change the background to black. Now, it's time to adjust these padding. It depends on your text to balance it. Click the top text to activate it. And add a background to it too. Click the plus icon next to the colors to add a costume orange color. Now, click the pen icon at the top right of the screen. Then, change this hex and RGB to this. Make sure the opacity line is at the maximum. Adding time again. It depends on your text too. Tap the grid line, then activate the magnet. After all, move both text to the center. Finally, tap grid line again and save your logo. The link of this PixelLab project file is located in my video's description. If you want to support me, subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, then I'll hope to see y'all in the next video. You can use it in memes, logos, and intros.